In this video, we will show you how to configure Chrome Energy Saver and Memory Saver. Of course, with the right configuration, you can save energy on your devices. First, to see your settings, just click this menu and then choose Settings, then select Performance on the left menu. In here, make sure you are turned on Memory Saver, and when Memory Saver turn on, the Chrome free memory from inactive tabs. Okay, you can also exclude some websites and you can click add in here. For example, in here wedada.com. When you do this, after you inactive tab with this site, the Chrome will already activate the memory for this website. Okay, and make sure also you have turn on the energy saver in here, and you can choose the option 1 or option 2. The option 1 is you can turn on when your battery is less from 20% or lower. And when you selecting the second option, the turn on where your computer is unplugged, you can select anything from this. But I suggest you can using turn when my computer is unplugged if you on the outside. Okay, but if you are in home, you can just selecting this. Okay, and if you don't have these two options for power and performance, you can make sure your Chrome is up to date in the About Chrome. You can see here the latest version of Google Chrome is have these two options, so you can check that. And that's all tutorial how to configure energy saver and memory saver in Google Chrome web browser. Hope this video helpful for you.